Let me guess, Tiny. A small salad?
I'll take a double triple bossy deluxe on a raft, 4x4 animal style. Extra shingles with a shimmy and a squeeze. Light axle grease, make it cry, burn it, and let it swim.
We serve food here, sir.
Alright guys, welcome back to the Emngee YouTube channel. Here's a new video. We're going to be making Krabby Patties today, aka the Veggie Burger, because you know we're vegetarians up in here. So it's really basic and simple. And Master Wong, you know. Shout out to everybody who watched Master Wong. Check out his channel. But basically the ingredients you're going to need is the buns, lettuce, tomato, onion, carrots, beans. It could be black beans, it could be any type of beans, but I prefer black beans, cheese, flour, and eggs. And that's pretty much it. But I know what you're thinking.
You forgot the pickles!
But I don't like pickles at all. I hate them, can't stand the smell of them. So we're gonna move on without the pickles, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. It's gonna be a really fast video today, so stick around and we're gonna show you how to do it. Make sure you like the video, comment, subscribe, and
One crying Johnny coming up. First bun, then patty, followed by ketchup, mustard, pickles, extra onions, lettuce, cheese, tomatoes, and bun, in that order.
Alright guys, we're back. So what I did is I kind of prepped a little bit. There's not much prep work you can do for this simple recipe. So I already put the beans in the poster. So if you don't have a poster like this, you can use either a blender or just chop it up by hand. But again, like I said earlier, I'm using black beans. You can use any beans as you want. You can use canned beans, you can use fresh beans. Just make sure you have beans. So I put the black beans in here. I'm gonna post it up first. Then I'm gonna drop some onions in there, and then the carrots, and blend them all up, and then we should be good with all that. So I'm about to blend up right now. Alright guys, we're back. So I already blended them. You can see it's blended up. Now I'm gonna drop the carrots and the onions in there. Try not to drop any. That's good enough. And then I'm gonna post it up again. Alright guys, so I just shredded up the beans with the onion. So now I'll put the shredder / slicing attachment together. So that way I can chop them up real fine or shred them up like the paper shredder, and I'm just gonna blend it all up together, alright? Alright, welcome back. So basically, I already dumped the contacts into the bowl just to save time, and I also cracked an egg in there as per recipe. So you should have something that resembles this. It should look like you know, chopped up vegetables, or like ground beef that's fucking mashed up or something. So just stir it up. This is the time where you want to now add your spices or herbs. So I like garlic, so I'm gonna add garlic, black pepper. I like my adobo because I'm Spanish, and basil. So just add them together, and you don't want it to be too wet, because when you put it in the frying pan, it's gonna like spread because of the heat. So you want to add the flour. You don't want it to be super dry either, so I'm gonna mix them all together, and then when I'm all set and done, I'm gonna show you what the end product should look like. All right?
One dozen crying cows on the farm. Up!
Thanks, Farmer Brown. It's been a thrill serving you.
Can I get some extra salt?
We're all out.
Could you check?
No.
Alright, Emngee family, we're back. So now this is what it should look like. I put some flour. Like I said, you want it to be kind of wet, but not too wet that it will stick to the grill. I preheated the skillet with oil. Make sure there's a little bit of oil. And I might have preheated too much because I think it's kind of hot. But I'm gonna take like a scoop like this, that way I can scoop it. That way it's not sloppy looking when I put it on the grill. And once it's on the grill, I can actually make it into like more like a patty. So scoop it up like that. That way you have even burgers each time. clean it up a little bit. And once you have it, just throw it on that. Okay. Alright. It's hot enough. Let me raise the temperature. Just push it down a little bit. But remember, this is kind of wet, so it's going to stick to the spatula, so just be gentle. Once the bottom cooks a little bit, you can flip it over and you can smush it down more to make it flatter. So just be careful when you're initially smushing it. Don't pull up right away. Like trying to like, just be gentle and let it come up a little bit. Or you can, what you can do is put flour on the spatula. But this is as good as it's gonna get, to be honest. So that's like a decent size or a decent looking burger. Wait till it cooks a little bit, then we can flip it like I said, smush it down, and it'll be better.
Skate, I can't make a double Krabby Patty with the work. I can't put a patty on a bun with lettuce, cheese, onions, tomatoes, ketchup, mustard, pickles, and top bun together in that order.
It's time.
Alright guys, so what I'm about to do now, flip it. Now you can see it got a nice mark on it, it's golden brown. Remember, these are just vegetables, it's not a legit beef, so you don't have to cook it super long. So I'm just gonna push down on it. Now that this side's cooked, see it's not gonna stick to the spatula now. So I'll push down on it, because I want the middle to cook. The bottom might come up like that too a little bit, because it's too big. But you could just make them smaller. You could put them in the freezer, cool it down, do what you gotta do, but I'm a type of guy who likes to just go. So I'm gonna push down on it, try to make it not look too ugly. But that's basically it. On all this little spot that came up, you could just push them like that. If it doesn't want to go, just flip the burger again, get that side to cook. But that's basically it. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna flip it after like a minute or two, then put cheese on it. That way this side that came up will cook. Alright? Alright guys, we're back. So as you can see, I flipped the burger and it kind of took its own shape, so it looks like, it's not a perfect circle, but it looks somewhat like a burger. And remember, it's a veggie burger, so you don't have to cook it super long. Just make sure that when you flip it, you push it down. That way the middle cooks, because I made a thick burger. Also, I didn't have like American cheese, like a sliced cheese, so I just put the shredded cheese. So just work what you have. The burger is done. Look at that sizzle. Get that burger. Now I'm gonna put it on the patty, on the bun. Now you can add anything you want. I already added onion to the patty, so I feel like I don't have to add onion. But now I like to put ketchup on it. I like to put ketchup on the patty itself instead of the bun. So I'll add ketchup first. That's good enough. Then I will add some tomatoes. Alkaline tomatoes. You know what I'm saying? Nice thinly sliced. I love tomatoes, so I'll put a couple. Alright. You can add whatever you want, and I'll add some lettuce. I believe this is a spring mix. This is like romaine and like other spring mix like dandelion. So I'd like to put a little bit of mayonnaise. Ketchup and mayo go together like lamb and tuna fish. You feel me?
And in your experience, was Sonny a good father to Julian?
Oh, yes. They make a terrific pair. They went together like lamb and tuna fish.
Lamb and tuna fish?
Maybe you like spaghetti and meatball?
Alright. I think that's pretty good. And there you have it, guys. Put the bun on top. Make sure the bun is toasted. Or if you don't like it toasted, then I don't know what to tell you. But that's how you make the Krabby Patty, aka the veggie burger Emngee style. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. That way you get a video every time that we upload. And there you have it, guys. So remember, with Emngee, you get heaven on your taste buds. All right, guys. Goodbye.